affordable housing unit is actually targeted.
Piny owacho okoni tije mane pod odong' e sirkal mamalo ibiro chwal duto nyaka e telo mag loch gwenge giko dweni kaka mano mar neno ni ochop kare chenro mag loch gwenge e bura mane okelo kanyakla jotend migepe kod riwruoge mag saga motele kod jatend migao Simon Chelugui e boma ma Naivasha e kaunti ma Nakuru kama ne gitielo ni mano biro mana kaluwore kod omenda masiro chenro makamago. Jotelogo okoni riwruoge mag saga ma biro yudo mijing'o mar neno ni gibero lwasi mar chopo kare lai mag sirkal.
Functions have been transferred progressively, and also the resources through the CRA, the Commission on Revenue Allocation. I've been charged with that role to align roles, functions, and resources. So I think, as far as I'm concerned, all of them are work in progress, and we are doing very well.
I shared his views, his perspectives on what needs to happen in the transfer of functions in that particular sector with the group. His views, I can say, with a lot of joy, were generally consistent with what the technical officers from both levels of government have agreed needs to happen. That this transfer is driven by the Constitution, and that number two, on the other hand, the implementation of the entire transfer is a process so that we cannot disrupt service delivery.
Nyakora Ramogi akayo mokwongo kikiti mabori kete karaka ote mayoro sani maboro kaogi